Hello guys, for today's video I will show you the charging dock Platinum Karaoke. So this is the one, CD20 charging dock. So it means you can charge your Platinum wireless mic directly here. So as you can see, I am using the DK65 because you can this speakers is rechargeable also, so you can just use the cable, this one, the short cable, to charge the wireless microphone. So all you need to do is just do like this, and if you have any wireless mic like this, B10, B20, DK88 or DK65 wireless microphone, you can charge directly. Voila! See, as you can see, the two wireless mic is blinking. It means it's charging now. And if the blinking is totally gone, it means it's full of charge. So you can just unplug the power cable to this charging dock. So just like that. And yeah, actually the good thing for the charging dock is if you are not using the karaoke, so you can just display like this. It's very nice actually. So the charging dock is available here in Qatar for 60 QR, 60 QR for this one, for this charging dock only. Yeah, charging dock for 60 QR. So you can avail this one here in our showroom in Galina. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys.